Magandang araw, Sultan. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Division of Sultan Kudarat kung saan ginaganap ang pagbubukas ng Division Schools Press Conference na ginaganap sa Kalimutan Hall. Kilalanin natin ngayon ang isa sa mga school paper advisor.
Hello, good morning. So I am Rachel Paul Llorente. I'm coming from Isula National High School and I'm the coach of Isula National High School Collaborative Desktop Publishing English. So I am very excited for today's 2026 DSPC and of course grateful and thankful also and nagbabakasakali sana this is our year na ibigay sa amin ngayong taon. Kasi for the previous years, always second, third. So maybe ngayong taon, this is for us. And of course, excited. So excited as a coach and of course, excited for my journalist na sana ibigay nila yung best nila for this year's 2026 DSP.
Happy New Year!
Thank you so much. At ngayon, kilalanin natin ang isa sa mga kalahok.
Hello, I am Giselle Bernabe from Notre Dame of Isulan, Radio Broadcasting category.
Pwede bang matanong kung anong nararamdaman mo ngayon?
Siyempre, Kulbaan as first-timer sa Radio Broad Filipino. Kulbaan din kay Halin sa writing nag-transfer sa Radio Broad.
Thank you so much.